So continuing our discussion with display model in C++, we will see the demo code 5. We have already made a sine curve with axis. So let's have a convex number 5 and we set the color to blue, and we want a polygon. We are making a polygon which is a kind of shape and 3 points for a triangle. Then we are changing the color of the polygon, we are changing the line style also. Now we are making it dash. We are attaching it to the window and just waiting for the button. That means we are trying to give it to the display engine. So this is how we have already made this one, and this one, these three curve or lines. And then this triangle with the dashed line has been shown. Again, on canvas number 6, let us make a rectangle. For that, we make a rectangle which is called R, and we start because we want our top left point. Just this is enough, and with this we need to give the width and the height. We attach it to the window and show it, and this is the result. This is our rectangle. Then we add a shape that will look like a rectangle. We'll make a closed polyline. We call it polyrect. We add few points, 4 points, depending upon your choice. Do you have to make make it like a rectangle and look it like a rectangle? So we set label for canvas number 6.1, and this is how we can have a rectangle with this different code but showing the same capability. Now we can add a point. Just add a point. Now polyrect has 5 points. This is polyrect. This is having 5 points. Now we set a set label for this canvas 6.2, and let us have one more. So this is how we can change through our code. Then we need to fill it. So let's fill it with yellow. So what we have to do is r.set fill color. So this colors the inside of the rectangle. We are also making the triangle somewhat fatter by setting line style and making the dash as 4. And we now fill it with some flashy colors called green. And then we set the style of this polyrect and make it dash 2 and place it to the canvas number 7. So see, we did this for the previous one and we made it for the recent one. Then we have this text. We want to add text also, like hello graphical world, and the point is lower left corner on the baseline. This is the lower left corner on the baseline. We set the label to the canvas number 8, and here we have the hello graphical world as the text, or you can say an annotation. Then we want to modify the text font and size. We set the font to bold and the size to 20, height in pixels. So we have increased the size now. Then we want to add an image also. So what we are going to do, we are going to make an image, say call it I. We want to open an image called image.jpg and place it at some point 150. We attach it to the window, show it on the canvas number 10. So this is the image. The image obscures the other shape. See, other shapes are not visible. So we need to move it somewhat to a different place. So we move it to 120. We move 100 pixels to the right and we move 200 pixels down. And let us show it on the canvas number 11. Okay, now this is fine. How the parts of the shape that don't fit in the window are clipped away. We can easily see it because this is not our complete image. One fighter jet is missing. Then we have a circle. How to make a circle? Make it C. We just have to give a point in the radius. We make an ellipse. We want center, horizontal radius, and vertical radius. We want this as the center point. This is the horizontal and this is the vertical radius. And we set a color dark red for this ellipse. We also have a mark, say X at some point, and we have now O string stream. You know about this O string stream, OSS, and we say screen size x max. This is again calling the max value y max. Then window size will be win.x max. We are attaching it. We are attaching y max also, and then we are trying to make a text with some size. And what we are doing at this point, we are providing this OSS.stream. This full stream will be shown here using this OString stream. Then we also have a image. We want to display the center of the image, so we may make an image GIF, and we want to set mask or with some point and display center at this point and show it on the canvas number 12. So this is our circle, this is our ellipse, this is the point. Okay, and these are the OString stream OSS value which are being reflected here. Boilerplate, this is the header for the graphs. This is header containing window interface. Now we use a try catch block, the main part of your code. You can check the exceptions, and various exceptions can be there. This is how you check boilerplate. What I'm trying to suggest is that you keep your code inside this so that you can actually gracefully attend your errors. Then primitives and algorithms. This demo shows the use of various library primitives, and typically what we display is actually the result of any algorithm or reading data. So these are the various things which need to be seen. So thank you so much. This was about the graphical modeler and various graphics capability that a C++ is providing you. There are much more. Thank you so much. Take care.